Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering what matters now: your account number, recent transaction date, and a clear summary of the issue. Once done, pick a quiet spot, plug in a headset if needed, and ensure your phone is charged and on stable signal. Make sure to open the relevant documents or screenshots so you can read exact figures. You'll save time and sound confident. This reduces verification back and forth and speeds the call toward resolution. You dial and navigate the menu with purpose. Press the option for billing, technical support, or an agent. Once connected, listen for estimated wait time and accept a callback if it avoids long hold periods. When an agent answers, state your name and reason briefly, then complete identity checks: full name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your account or card. Keep answers precise and steady. That lets the agent access your records faster and move to solving the issue. You guide the call toward a clear outcome by asking what the agent will do next and when it will happen. Request a case number and expected resolution time. Once they explain, confirm you'll receive an email or reference. Save the agent's name and timestamp. If the issue isn't resolved, try one escalation step. Ask for a supervisor or a scheduled follow-up. Troubleshooting tip: if calls drop or communication stalls, request an email confirmation and call.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.